काठियावाड़ी ब्रीड है। काठियावाड़ी ब्रीड की ये मेयर है और ऑलमोस्ट इनकी हाइट जो लग रही है 58 इंचेस लग रही है। ये कौन कौन सी ब्रीड है इसमें?
काठियावाड़ी और मारवाड़ी।
मारवाड़ी, ये जो तीनों काठियावाड़ी हैं क्या?
नहीं नहीं, ये दो ब्लैक वाले मारवाड़ी है,
ये मारवाड़ी है। अच्छा काठियावाड़ी है। तो ये तीनों जो मियाँ, एक तो ये शायद तीनों मियार्स हैं।
मैम से ले लो।
अच्छा मैम आ रही हैं।
बनाना आपको मैम से इंटरव्यू दे सकते।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम, हाउ आर यू?
Where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from Delhi. I just deal with thoroughbred horses.
Wow.
So
Okay.
I just started a new YouTube channel. But it is
है
जी
horse content ही है, indigenous horse media.
okay.
But my content is based on information and the atrocities which are happening on horses in India. I try to bring awareness amongst people. Like there are many people who
For
use the spiked bits.
Bits.
Then there are people who don't allow the horse to sit and sleep because
Yes.
it's a wrong notion, since ancient times that horses should only stand and sleep.
Also
They
we
don't
have
let them lie down.
yes, we have to ask you what should be the surface of the stable.
What can be used for the surface?
Yes.
Is that what you're asking?
Yes ma'am, surface में हम उसमें
It
क्या?
should not be a hard surface, first of all.
Yes.
Anything cemented or blocks or anything hard is
Hardy.
not advisable. And the best is even sand people use because it's manageable. But
Right.
even better than that is there are dry hay stalks of rice. Only dry hay, goldenish
Dry hay.
color.
Yeah.
But that's the best for horses.
Best.
But the maintenance of those is very difficult because it needs to be changed every day. Whereas sand you can just dig in and make it upside down and it clears because it absorbs the urine and the feces.
Yes
and
ma'am, we have seen what you are talking, the hay. Yes,
Oh, okay.
the hay we use for in only winter time, the rice hay, the waste
No,
of
it can be used around the year.
around the year.
It can be used,
Okay.
yes. But as I told you, the maintenance is a bit difficult. Every day it needs to be either changed or rotated.
The climate, I mean climate का जैसे सर्दी है, गर्मी है और बरसात है, तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो घोड़ों का हमें केयर करनी चाहिए वो कौन सा एक मौसम है?
Monsoons.
मानसून। तो उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं उसमें मानसून में?
They tend to
हूफ्स में, जैसे हूफ्स में हमने
yes,
देखा
the
गया है।
hoofs become softer because of the absorption. And overall in the monsoon the atmosphere is such that it affects their eating habits. And when it affects their eating habits, of course the immunity will come down low. So they tend to fall sick. Plus some people give them greens. Alfalfa है, जिसको रंज का बोलते हैं, हम गुजरात में उसको गदब बोलते हैं. Now that gets a certain type of insects during the monsoons, and if that the horse eats, if it's becomes stale and you've given it after a day, those insects set their larvae in that and it really harms the horse. They can get colic and even die. It's fatal.
Right.
So monsoon is the worst season. Mosquitoes, flies,
Bacterial infection,
the mushy weather, everything affects them.
राइट. तो मैम आपने जैसे कि बताया आप गुजरात से आप बिलोंग करती हैं,
जी.
तो ये आपको ये जो लेगेसी एक मेंटेन कर रही हैं या आपको एक खुद से ही ये मतलब शौक हुआ इसका?
Basically I am a Rajput from Rajasthan.
Okay.
Married in a Gujarati family.
Okay.
So maybe it's in the blood.
So it's a legacy.
And
Yes,
since childhood
definitely.
I've had a passion for horses, and fortunately for me my husband also liked horses and we started keeping them. It's been almost 9-10 years now that we're keeping horses.
Okay, very nice. It's being with you, and so there are some of the horses it is already gone, or it is there?
No,
Or
these are like, these are colt. She's a filly. That one is a Kathiawadi filly. My mares are pregnant. We
okay,
have total 14 horses.
14 horses,
But my mares are pregnant, so I didn't want them to travel.
right?
And we have one stallion.
Okay,
He last year I got him here, but now we've started mating. So there was booking for the mares to come to the farm and mate. So I couldn't get him here.
so स्टैलियन के बारे में बताइए मैम। स्टैलियन आपका कौन सी लाइन का है, या फिर होम ब्रीड है आपकी?
He is sired by Paramhans.
Paramhans.
Gajendra Singh of Kosana.
कोसाना, okay.
Everybody knows him. His stallion Paramhans, and my Paramraj sire is Paramhans.
ओके, वेरी नाइस। तो मैम आपके इस वक्त आप क्या मतलब जो फेयर में क्या लेकर आई हैं, जो दिखाने के लिए भी है और कौन सा सेल करने के लिए है?
My main intention of bringing the Kathiawadi here.
Okay.
Let's go there. We can
Okay,
shoot
let's
there, is to promote the Kathiawadi breed, because just as the Marwadi has become famous
राइट,
across India, even Marwadis are now being exported to USA.
राइट,
But nobody knows about the Kathiawadi breed, though it is the purest and the most ancient breed of India.
ओके।
And she is a filly. The
And the
color
colour
is,
is
called,
very
Palomino.
unique.
Yes, it's
Palomino.
a unique color in the Kathiawadi. You won't find this color in the Marwadis.
मारवाड़ी।
And
And the dish face of
Yes.
it's
It's a dish face.
giving a
oh,
resemblance
you
of
know a lot about Kathiawadi.
Arabian.
Yes, that's the distinctive feature.
I
of the
always
Kathiawadi.
see rare horses in the mare. I try to find always. तो रियर घोड़े देखते हैं मुझे, वहाँ से अभी आ गया था तो स्टड्स में आपके दिखा, तो ये पालेमिनो जो कलर है बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है इसको। और तो इसके सेल में है या मैम ये आपका जो है ये
For sale.
फॉर सेल?
But my first goal is to bring it here to show the people, because Pushkar is a center where people from all
Only
over
Marwari.
India are present here. So
Right.
they should see that India has such a beautiful breed.
डेफिनेटली। सो इसका पर्पस राइडिंग में है, इसका
She
काठियावाड़ी
is still a filly,
फिली?
but usually Kathiawadis are much better for riding as compared to other breeds.
ओके। तो मैम टेंट पैकिंग में अगर आप टेंट पैकिंग देखें तो हमने सुना है कि काठियावाड़ी हॉर्सेस मच बेटर फॉर अदर
Yes.
ब्रीड्स, इवन सिंधी हॉर्सेस
Yes. Sindhi
फॉर टेंट
horses.
पैकिंग स्पेशली।
Yes.
रेंज की आप डिस्क्लोज करना चाहेंगे प्राइस?
Yeah, sure. The Kathiawadi is normally the common colors, Umaid and all these colors. They start from the range of 1 lakh, 1,50,000, so on. And if it's a rare color,
Okay.
like dun color is a rare color, the Palomino color is a rare color, then the price range would start from 8, 9, 10 lakhs.
ओके। तो मैम आपके पास प्राइस रेंज क्या होगी जो अगर आप बायर से ख़रीदना चाहते हैं आपके पास वो
I want to sell or buy.
सेल के लिए?
Sale ke, like for her, we have quoted 21 lakhs. She's
Okay.
also a show winner.
ओके,
She came first in the Jasra show.
जसरा शो। ओके, वेरी गुड।
Then there are the markings which are important, like she's a Panch Kalyan, you can see.
ओके,
So the prices, like, go higher as the characteristics and the purity, the
Right.
markings, all that comes in the picture.
okay, these are 3 horses and we can see only here. So other horses are in your
At the
stud
farm.
and the farm. So I hope I will visit your farm
Definitely, most welcome.
ever in our life. So तो मैम थैंक यू। मैम क्लोज करते हैं यहाँ पे। बहुत
Thank
अच्छा
you so
लगा
much.
आपसे बात करके। पूरे मतलब पूरे फेयर में जब तक का जो एक्सपीरियंस है आपसे बहुत अच्छा लगा बात करके।
Thank you so
थैंक यू वेरी मच।